An investment has never been so sweet and 100% secure. Come and let me show you more.
Are you looking to secure your future with a sure investment? Well then, look no further. Introducing the Bulverton Estate, the new gold mine. Located in the thriving city of Epe, the Bulverton Estate offers you easy access to major road networks and proximity to renowned landmarks. Within the estate, you get easy access to Ekpe Marina Resorts, the Lekki Free Trade Zone, Dangote Refinery, and so many others. Crafted for luxurious living experiences, the Bulverton Estate offers a wide range of amenities, such as 24-hour security services, modern infrastructure, and recreational facilities. For 300 square meters, you get to pay 3.1 million naira. And for 500 square meters, you get to pay 4.5 million naira. With the initial deposit of just 500,000 naira, you can become a landowner. So what are you waiting for? Hurry now and contact us today to save your spot.